squirrel. What exactly do you think you're doing?
It's secret squirrel?
Secret squirrel is secretly eating its nut?
No, it's hiding diamonds in the nut.
Oh, is that what it's doing? That's so freaking cute.
Where's Morocco Mole?
I'm not sure. How cute is that, Jennifer?
That is like one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my whole life.
Right outside of our room. Disney magic.
I know.
It's a magical squirrel.
I know.
Back at the Turf Club, having dinner here tonight. The drones are coming, Jen. The drones are coming.
It's going to be a minute. They have to get situated.
No, look them. They're there. They're there now.
We are at Saratoga Springs, and we're going to give you a different perspective of the drone show.
Yes. Okay,
What's
here we
it
go.
called, Ariane?
It's the drone show.
Summer House. It's Dreams That Soar.
Dreams That Soar. So we finished up with the drone show, finished up dinner at Turf Club Saratoga Springs, finished the drone show, walked all the way around from Saratoga Springs to Disney Springs now, and now we're walking all the way across to Salt and Straw for dessert. There are a lot of people here tonight. Not too bad of an evening. It's a little humid, but temperature-wise, it's not too bad. Nice Florida evening. And we'll see if we make it. All right, we have finally made it. We're really close now to Salt and Straw. Looks like there's a line out there. Looks like there's a line. Yeah, there's a line. What to get. We were just saying that we think there are more classic flavors than there used to be. I thought it was kind of limited with the classic flavors, but there seemed to be a lot more. And these are the limited edition. You're going to really taste every single one, so you don't have to buy any ice cream at all. That's okay, Jen. I'll buy you ice cream. It's okay. You can choose a flavor. Yeah, I'll splurge. I'll buy you ice cream. It's okay. So what'd you just try?
The goat cheese Marionberry habanero, and my mouth is on fire.
Fire. You said fire. So you got flavors of Florida. We got an extra flavor there. We got some last chance scoops here too. But we're gonna do the Guanabana stracciatella.
There you go.
Grazie.
Anything else for you guys?
No, I think that's it.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jennifer. How are you?
I slept like a baby.
I slept well, but not enough. I think I could have slept more. But
These beds are really comfortable.
yeah. It's been a nice, relaxing week. Very comfortable.
Yeah.
Wanted to just cap off last night. We didn't get a chance to really review dinner and the drone show.
So we went to Turf Club at Saratoga Springs, and I was kind of nervous because back in December we had the best meal of our trip, and they just changed the menu.
Yeah.
They knocked off like everything we had back in December, so I was really worried.
We had 4 things in December, and all 4 of those items were off the menu now, which was really kind of odd. So we ended up just going light and had charcuterie and ahi tuna, which ended up working out well because I didn't want anything too heavy. So that was fine, it was good, but yeah, I have to say it was not as good as December because they changed the menu. So
yeah, I thought it was good.
It was good, but not as good as December.
I would say the food was really good, but I was not happy with the choices they took off the menu. But I thought the quality was just as delicious in December, and I would 100% go back. And the funny thing is, we tried to change the reservation. This is a restaurant that always has availability, and because of Disney Springs and the drone show, it's now harder to get a reservation there.
And speaking of the drone show, we watched that from the Saratoga Springs side, which was really nice because
no crowds.
Yeah, we just basically stepped out from the restaurant. We were kind of sort of in the parking lot there, right on the water, right across from House of Blues.
Yeah.
So we could see all of the drones coming out.
Yeah, that was really cool because I didn't know exactly where they came from.
Yeah, so there was that area right there by Cirque du Soleil, House of Blues, that whole west side. So the drones pop out from there, watch the show, 10 minutes. It was lovely, enjoyed it, and it was cool. So
it really was.
And then, we fought through the crowds to get to Salt and Straw, had a little treaty treat, and that was it. And that was the night. So overall, another
a good night.
Lovely evening. Yes, I agree.
Yeah, so now we are going to take another bus to Disney Springs because we have lunch with Timmy at Homecoming. So hopefully we'll have our bus luck will continue.
Yes, so tune in for that one next.
Yes.
So, all right.
All right, we'll talk to you in a little bit.
All right, Jen just failed. She's got to do the outro, so go ahead.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because our next video will be Homecoming.
Yeah, obviously.
In Disney Springs.
Yes, like we haven't been there before.
Yeah.
So, okay. Thanks as always for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.